Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Be sure to visit our website at selectmotors.com to view our complete inventory. This is a 2010 ML350 Mercedes. The 350 is a V6. It's all-wheel drive. It's a solid black with a light tan interior. This has the 19-inch sport wheels, factory running boards, new tires, new front brakes, pads and rotors. Body's in beautiful condition. The rear seats will fold down flat. Has WeatherTech molded mats. Three-position seat memory, and both front seats are power and they are heated. Has electric tilt steering. That's an option. Even has paddle shifters for some sporty driving. Power moonroof. Rain sensing wipers. The side mirrors will fold in automatically. Here's a look at the command screen. Climate control, left and right temperature controls. It's fully automatic. So navigation, that has to activate. Might take a minute. There we go. And rear view camera. Really nice real wood trim. You're back on the outside. Has a dual exhaust, a stainless steel skid plate on the back and the front. Power tailgate. Has the parcel cover. And has a spare. There's the power seat on this side. Beautiful vehicle inside and out. Runs and drives excellent. Well maintained. Thank you for your time. Give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about this ML350.